if we go to like index traders, a lot of them seem to fail to see this in the future specifically because they're just like scalping for 10 points. NASDAQ, if this 2-2 week works, where's it going? Down there. We talked about this in the weekend vid. So as long as this is lower highs, which it has been, it's going to do that, which it has. Anytime the week is red in here, any higher high is a short. So as it works its way down, you're going to get the slight higher high broadening formation, and then it expands here, boom. And then it retests it, shooter, boom, you're in. Then you're going to see a slight higher high, 2-2 shooter, boom, trader. Then they get stuck in the middle a little bit, right? See the broadening formation in here. The other thing we can say is since they're more aggressive on the downside, yet higher high shooter, boom, make your money, right? Reversal, get out. The other thing we will see is lower high. Because if you fail to make a new high, if you're trending, which the week is 2 down, it's trending down. If you fail to make the new high, it's going to make a lower low because you have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's trending down. That's why when we make a higher high, it goes so crazy because it goes higher high and it's like, wait, we're trending down. Why are we making a higher high? And then everyone gets wrecked, which is why we prefer that. But you can see it makes lower highs. And then in here, this is your broadening formation, these 2 bars outside of this, and then it expands in here, right below this. And then boom, takes out the new low. Then in here, break them out. You see the broadening formation. It could be something like this. You could draw it, however you want. You can draw it like this too. But then we'll see momentum fails to make the lows. 2-2 reversal. So they stop guys out. Here's your reversal. And you'll notice, instead of playing the new slight higher high and then reclaim, we're playing the new high to this, then reclaim with the shooter. 2-2, boom, make some money. Down they go. Then we're right at the lows. We can ignore some of this, right? Those lows, new highs, make a little bit of money, doesn't work. 2-2 back up. Okay, so be it. Then in here, Monday. What do we do? Well, the week hasn't reversed yet. Slight higher highs. You see the slight higher high to this. The rev strat, right when this flips red. 2-1-0-1-1-8. You're in. 2-1, 2 down, add. 2-2. Boom. Hits out the other side as it should. Then we'll see. This is now your much bigger triangle, like so. And then you can see the rest of the week we've been just grinding within it, which is why we haven't seen much crazy moves, although you're still going to have the triangles in here. So stuck in the middle, we don't touch that. Poke down, and then this is the triangle the other way. And then this was right at the close. You can see pokes up, goes red here, and then a little bit of a short, but that was it. Comes in gaps right here. Then stuck in the middle. New high after the new low. Then in here, breaks them down to go make this new low. And then yesterday, Thursday, new high. We go to like a 30. New high. 2-2 reversal gives control to the sellers. New lows. Reversal occurs here. That's 260 points. You're waiting for the big move and then take it the other way once continuity changes. Now today was an example where we did make the lower high. So we would have preferred, like we said in the morning, we would have preferred the higher high. Right? New high, new low, we preferred the new high. But you have 3, pokes up, shooter, and then it goes 2-2, and then it reconfirms here. So we have no evidence that they're going up. So you get lower high, which means lower low. And they do that, and now we don't know. It's kind of just sitting at the lows here. But you can see it's like, as the market's trending down, if we know on the week, we have this big range. This is where it's going to go, here. Given no reversal. So we have a condition where this may not work. But as long as it doesn't do that condition, it will work. Then when you're trending down, new highs should always make new lows. Because if it's going here definitively, which we know how to gauge that, and you make a new high, it has to be going the other way then. And then you may make lower highs, but within that, you will make slight higher highs. Even if it's lower high to this, you'll have slightly higher highs in here to play off of. And that you have to get a little bit smaller time frames to do that. But hopefully that makes sense. And then, once the target gets hit, this is where people don't understand. If we hit our target and we have this broadening formation, potentially they come all the way racing back through. And then all of a sudden this turns into expansion of this broadening formation, expanding the other way, because we already did what we were supposed to. We hit our target. So that's like the gist. of how you're going to want to think about things.